Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to our English Vocab listening channel. Today's story is all about how to order food at a fast casual restaurant in London. In this conversation, you will hear very simple and clear English. You will learn how to order a meal step by step, how to choose your side options, and how to talk about spice levels. Don't worry at all if you don't understand every single word. Just relax, listen, and try to enjoy the story. Now, here's a little question for you to think about while you listen. What number does the cashier give to Mina at the end of her order? Listen carefully to find the answer. If you find it, please share your answer in the comments section below. Writing in English is a wonderful way to practice and improve your skills more quickly. All right, are you ready to start the video? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, this street in London is very busy today. Are you enjoying the walk, Mina?
Yes, Ken, it is beautiful here, but I am also very hungry now. My stomach is making noises.
Me too. Look right across the street. There is a great chicken restaurant.
Oh, excellent. I love chicken. Let's go inside.
Wait, Mina. Look through the window first. Do you see that front counter?
Yes, I see it. There are people standing in a line at the counter.
Exactly. This is a fast casual restaurant. It is different from a normal restaurant.
Different? How is it different? Don't we just sit down at a table?
No, we don't sit down first. In this restaurant, we must order our food at the counter first. After we pay, then we find a table.
Oh, I see. We order first and then we sit down. That is new for me.
Yes, it is a very popular system in the UK. Let's go inside and join the line. Okay, Mina, let's make a plan. Counter service is like a staircase. You just go step by step.
Step by step? Okay. Tell me the steps quickly.
Step 1 is always about the table. The cashier will ask if you want to eat here or take the food away.
Eat here or take away. Okay, I want to eat here. What is step 2?
Step 2 is your main meal. You choose your chicken, like a burger, a wrap, or a salad.
A wrap sounds delicious. I will choose the grilled chicken wrap.
Perfect. Then step 3 is the side dish. The wrap comes with a side, like chips or corn.
Oh, chips. I love chips. Is that all?
Almost. Step 4 is the spice level. They will ask how spicy you want your chicken.
Spice level? Oh no, I do not like very spicy food. My mouth will burn.
Don't worry. They have options for everyone. We will ask the cashier about it.
Okay, step by step. Eat here, chicken wrap, chips, and spice level. I feel a little better now.
See? Look up. We're next in line. You can do this.
Hi there. Welcome to the restaurant. Eating in or taking away?
Eating in, please.
Lovely. Eating in today. And what can I get for you?
I would like the grilled chicken wrap meal, please.
Excellent choice. That meal comes with one side option. Would you like chips, spicy rice, or corn on the cob?
Oh, chips, please. I really love chips.
No problem. Chips it is. Now, what spice level would you like for your chicken wrap? We have plain, medium, or hot.
I don't want my mouth to burn, but I want some flavor. Is the medium very spicy?
Don't worry. It has a little kick, but it is safe for most people. It is very popular.
Okay, I will take a chance on medium, please.
Great. One grilled chicken wrap meal with chips and medium spice. Is there anything else for you today?
No, thank you. That is all for me.
And I will have the same meal, please, but with corn on the cob and hot spice.
Perfect. So that is 2 chicken wrap meals. One with chips and medium spice, and one with corn and hot spice.
Ken, you like very hot food. You are brave.
Haha, I love spicy food. It is my favorite.
Excellent. That comes to 22 pounds, please. You can pay by tapping your card right here on the machine.
Okay, I have my card ready. Beep. Did it work?
Yes, that is perfect. Thank you very much.
Great, thank you. Can we go find a table now?
Wait, please don't go yet. Here is your paper receipt, and here is your table number. Please take this tall plastic stick. It has the number 14 on it.
Oh, a plastic stick. It looks like a big toy. What do I do with this?
Take this number 14 and find any open table upstairs. Please put the stick clearly on the edge of your table. We will bring the hot food directly to you.
Oh, I understand now. Thank you very much.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your lunch.
Come on, Mina. Let's walk upstairs. I see some nice empty tables near the window.
Wow, Ken, that was fast, but we did it. I have the plastic stick right here in my hand.
You did a great job, Mina. You ordered perfectly under pressure.
Thank you, but I am still a little confused about this tall number stick. Why do they use it?
It is a clever system. Let's sit down at that table by the window, and I will explain it to you.
Okay, let's sit here. The window view is lovely. Look, I am putting the plastic stick right on the edge of the table.
Perfect position. Now the waiters can see the number 14 from far away.
So the workers in the kitchen cook the food and then a waiter carries it upstairs?
Exactly. The waiter walks around the room, looks for the number 14, and brings the fresh food to our table.
That is very organized. I don't have to stand near the kitchen and wait for my food.
Yes, it is very comfortable. You can relax and talk while you wait.
It is much better than a normal fast food restaurant. I really like this layout.
Me too. You see, counter service restaurants are popular because they are fast but comfortable.
True. Answering the questions was actually quite easy when I understood the steps.
You answered the cashier very well. You even chose the medium spice level.
Yes, I took a big chance. I hope it is not too hot for me.
I'm sure it will be delicious. Oh, look! I think a waiter is walking toward us with 2 large plates.
Oh, yes, he is looking at our table. He sees the number 14.
Hello. Yes, those are our plates.
Hi there. 1 grilled chicken wrap meal with chips and medium spice.
That is mine. Thank you very much. It smells amazing.
You are welcome. And 1 grilled chicken wrap meal with corn and hot spice.
Yes, that one is for me. Thank you.
Excellent. I will take the number 14 stick now. Enjoy your meal, everyone.
Wow, look at the chips. They look so crispy and fresh.
And look at my chicken wrap. You can see the red spices on it. I cannot wait to eat.
Let's try the food. Chew. Oh, this is so good. The chicken is very juicy.
How is the medium spice level? Is your mouth burning?
No, not at all. It has a little kick, just like the cashier said, but it is very full of flavor. I am so glad I tried it.
See? It is good to try new things. How is the layout of the restaurant feeling to you now?
Now that I am sitting down eating, I think it is wonderful. Answering eating in at the very beginning was the key to the whole process.
You are totally right. Telling them eating in or taking away right at the start is essential in the UK. It even changes the tax on hot food.
Really? Wow, that is a very interesting cultural detail.
Yes, so the counter staff always need to know that first. They are trained to work very quickly, but they will explain the options if you ask them nicely.
True. The cashier was very helpful when I asked about the spice level. But next time, I want to save even more time.
Oh? What is your strategy for next time?
I think a good tip for beginners is to check the restaurant menu online before entering. That way you already know what you want before joining the fast lane.
That is an excellent piece of advice, Mina. No more line panic.
Exactly. No more panic. Now let's finish this delicious lunch.
Good idea. And let's invite our viewers to join us for the next episode when we explore more of London.
Welcome back, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that story about Mina and Ken's lunch in London. Now, let's go back to our listening question from the beginning. What number does the cashier give to Mina at the end of her order? Can you remember the answer? If you know it, please write your answer in the comments section below. Remember, writing your answer in English is a fantastic way to practice these new words and builds your confidence for the next time you visit a restaurant. Thank you so much for listening and learning with us today. Keep practicing your English, keep listening to new stories, and never be afraid to speak up. You are doing a wonderful job. See you in the next video. Goodbye.